On the screen is a Java program. So here is the Eclipse IDE where there is a test.java file open, and this is a Java program where we are using a single try block which contains multiple exceptions, which may contain multiple exceptions, and there are multiple catch blocks. So different errors may happen in the same try block, and for handling them, we require multiple catch blocks. So we can add more than one catch block, and Java will run the first one that matches the thrown exception type. So here in this file, we are having a package computer and code, and then we are importing the scanner class from Java util package because we have used here the scanner class in order to take user inputs, and then we have created a class test inside which there is a public static void main method. And here the main method starts, and in the main method we are having a try block inside which we have here declared an array by name numbers, for which we have given values as 1, 2, 3. So here array elements are 1, 2, 3. So there are only 3 elements, and the indexes for these elements will be 0, 1, and 2. And in the next line, we are trying to print the array element which is at index 5, but there does not exist any index 5. There are only 0, 1, 2, 3 indexes up till 2. So that's why here in this line, we will be getting array index out of bounds exception. And then in the next line, we are creating object for scanner class. So while creating object for scanner class, we are also passing in the parameter system.in as argument. And then we will be keeping a message for user to enter A and B values. So here I'm keeping message for user, enter A and B. So I will be keeping a message for user with this system.out.println to enter A and B. And when the user enters A and B, two values, then it will be scanned using the scanner class object s along with the next int method of scanner class, and it will be assigned to A and B respectively, which here we are declaring at same time. Then we are checking if B value is greater than A. So here we are creating a custom exception. So with a custom error message or message which will be displayed when this exception occurs. So if B value which the user enters is greater than A, then it will throw a new exception. So it will throw a new exception. That means it creates at this point an object for this exception class, which is in the third catch block. And at the same time, we are passing a custom error message here, sorry, B greater than A. So this will occur only when B value entered by user is greater than A. If it is not, then this will not be thrown. And then it will do A divide by B. It will divide A value by B and assign the result to result variable, which we are declaring here at same time. And then we are printing the division result. So all these lines are present in try block. So let's here change the array index in this line while printing the array element. I'm changing it to 1 so that it will not throw any error. So here we are having 3 catch blocks. In the first catch block, it will be catching the exception when the array index is out of bound. So now that we have changed the array index to 1, it will not throw any array index out of bound exception. So this will not be occurring or not be getting executed. This will not get executed. And then the next catch block is for arithmetic exception, and it will be printing cannot divide by 0. So this arithmetic exception will occur when the B value with, if the user is entering B value as 0, then it will give you this arithmetic exception. So this will get executed when user will be entering B value as 0. And if B value is non-zero, then if in case B value is greater than A, then this error will occur. Exception E. So here something else went wrong, and here at the same time you can print E, object E of exception class, which will contain our user defined or custom error message, sorry be greater than A. So here along with this, we can just change the statement like error, and then our error will be displayed. So now if I execute this file, it will ask you to enter A and B. So it is displaying 2 as the array element, which is at index 1. So at index 1, the element is 2, so it is displayed in the output screen or console. And now it is asking us to enter A and B. So now A and B I'm going to enter as 25 and, or let's take 10 and 2. So 10 and 2 I have taken, and if I enter, division is 5. So we did not get any exception, because uh, the first exception may occur when we give array out of bound index. So if I give here something out of bound, that is, there are 3 array elements. If I give more than 3, like if I give here 4, so 0, 1, 2 are the indexes which may be there in array. But here I'm giving 4. So if I now execute again, I will get array index does not exist. This message is coming from the second catch block. Sorry, first catch block. Array index does not exist. Now if I again execute, now I'm changing the array index again to 2, and then if I now execute, it will be displaying the array element at index 2, which is 3. So 0 index is 1, 1 index is 2, 2 index is 3. Now it is asking enter A and B. Now enter A. A value I'm giving 20, B value I'm giving 30. So now B is greater than A. So if I enter, I get error, sorry B greater than B, which is our custom error message, which we have thrown this exception, custom error or custom exception, which we have thrown manually to the third catch block. So this is printing error and Java language exception, sorry B greater than A. And in case if I don't give B greater than A, but B 0 if I give, so if I give B as 0, 10 and 0 if I give, I get cannot divide by 0, which is coming from second catch block. That is arithmetic exception has occurred in try block. So like this, in a single try block, we may have multiple exceptions. There may be multiple exceptions occurring. So for that, we may require multiple catch blocks. So we can use single try and multiple catch blocks while handling any exception in our Java program.